Welcome to the PROMOVET tutorial video for Blogger. This short instructional video can serve as an introduction to educators for some of the basic features of Blogger as they relate to usability and their teaching practice. Blogger is one of the more established blogging platforms in the web. It is structured to create an easy and stable digital tool for users with lower than average web skills. The platform is multimedia and mobile friendly and can even be used for e-commerce or podcasting purposes. Blogger is a great product for classroom assignments, mainly because it is free of charge. It has integrated functionality because it belongs to the Google family of products, and it provides free hosting and analytical services. Blogger also allows this basic free format to be upgraded with premium customizing features such as individually purchased domain names or customizable templates and functionalities. Creating an account in Blogger is very simple. The educator can sign up with a valid email address, password, and domain name, the title of the blog, and to choose a template for his or her blog out of 11 default options that can be changed or upgraded at a later time. The blog's layout can be adjusted simply by dragging and dropping elements. You can also add free or purchased visual elements or functions. Privacy options allow the educator to keep the posts public, completely private, or to restrict them only to approved readers. For class assignments, the preferred option would be the last one, although be aware that this privacy setting extends to the whole blog and not individual blog posts. Keep in mind that for this option, every person that can see the post has to have a Gmail account. If you choose to take the blog public, use the labels function to organize it and make it easily searchable. Blogger is shareable on social media platforms like Facebook and Pinterest, and you can even post pictures from your mobile device. The editor format is clean and intuitive and is broadly similar with any generic text editor, where every single function available is explained as you hover above it. You can upload pictures and embed YouTube videos. In the settings menu, you can find a more expansive set of options to customize the layout, outreach, and other functionalities. The tool can be used in the classroom in a range of scenarios. Its privacy policies allow it to be used for class assignments or group projects. The tool could change student perspective on writing assignments as it provides students with authentic audiences instead of the typical grade hunting by enabling location-independent learning. Additionally, it can be used as a personal journal, an introduction to basic digital skills, or act as a personal and commercial website. After this short introduction to Blogger, for you and your learners, you should create an account on Blogger and familiarize yourself with the key features of the platform. For more ideas on how online videos can be used in your teaching practice, remember to log on to the PROMOVET platform and check out our compendium of online tools, which provides you with advice on how to integrate these online resources in your teaching practice.